This is Alan Henry. Making great backpacks is his obsession. He has developed new ultralight travel and everyday camera packs that are versatile, sustainable, and designed so you can pack exactly how you want to. How did he do it? First, this isn't his first rodeo. You see, Alan runs Atlas Packs and has been making award-winning outdoor camera backpacks for over a decade. But there was still work to be done. Second, he focused on hyper-intentional design. He and his suppliers have sourced the world's lightest and strongest eco-friendly fabrics.
Give my best to the wife, okay?
Third, he has a small team, which keeps costs low.
That's fantastic! Mwah!
Alan has been laboring for years to bring the Atlas One to life, at the risk of his own well-being. And now he's ready to bring them to you, loaded with tons of great features. But when they are gone, they are gone.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Alan, you booked us last week for the Kickstarter video?
That's right. How much time do we have left?
Like 30 seconds. We gotta go.
Hey guys, this is the new Atlas One. Premium sailcloth on the outside, premium Velex on the inside. If you care about intentional design, limited runs, and saving money, this could be the bag for you. I want you to back this pack. If you don't love it, I'll give you your money back.
The Atlas One from Atlas Packs backed the pack on Kickstarter.